Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best 3D printers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is BIQU B1 3D printer. Specifications. Brand name, BIQU. Bed temp, 100 degrees. Slice thickness, 0.2 mm. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Diameter temp, 1 to 260. Auto leveling, yes. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Printing speed, 60 mm per second. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Number 4 on our list is Creality 3D Sermoon D1. Specifications. Brand name, Creality 3D. Bed temp, 110. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Diameter temp, 255 C. Maximum print size, 280 by 260 by 310 mm. Color print speed, 100 mm per second. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Printing speed, 80 mm per second. Molding technology, FDM. Maximum working speed, 180 mm per second. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Number 3 on our list is Creality 3D Printer New CR30. Specifications. Brand name, Creality 3D. Color print speed, normal, 30 to 60 mm per second. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Printing size, 200 by 170 xmm. File format, STL/OBJ/G code. Molding tech, FDM. Number 2 on our list is Zonestar Z9V5 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Zonestar. Bed temp, 115. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.36 mm. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Maximum print size, 300 by 300 by 400 mm. Color print speed, 40 to 60 mm per second. Printing speed, 50 mm per second. Power supply, 50/60 Hz, 220 watts. Precision, 0.0125 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Number 1 on our list is Voron 2.4 V2.4R2. Specifications. Brand name, Formbot. Slice thickness, 0.05 to 0.5 mm. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Diameter temp, 300 C. Auto leveling, yes. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Power supply, 200 watts. Molding technology, FDM. Maximum working speed, 300 mm per second. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts.